Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today, doing something a little different. Quick, easy, how-to. If you can tell, I got my spanner wrenches for coilovers. What we are going to do today is adjust TK's preload. So, I already went ahead on this side and adjusted the preload. So this side is adjusted correctly. The spring will actually work with the coil now. So I'm gonna take you to the other side and show you how I adjust preload. This is a good standard for all vehicles. It's a good way on how to just adjust the preload at the beginning. That way you can drive the vehicle and everything works accordingly. TK heard a little bit of sound, so we're hoping that it was just the spring. Maybe preload was off a little bit. If it's not that, it's definitely the eccentric bolts. The torque spec might be just a little bit off, but we will find out. So let me go ahead, jump on driver's side, and I will take you along for the ride on how to adjust preload. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is just go ahead and completely, get this one out of the way. And then we are going to jump up to the top up here. Well, let's first off, it doesn't seem like it was adjusted correctly coming from the factory. So what we're going to do is we're just going to undo this. And I pretty much loosen it here until, there's shaft play here. So now this is up. We're going to crank this as tight as we can with our hand. Hand tight. And then, so 4 to 5 millimeters is what you should adjust your preload to at the beginning. This right here, your spanner wrench, is actually about 3 to 4 millimeters. So what you want is, let me show you before I actually do it, is this is about what you're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and get this all the way up here. We want a spanner wrench from hand tightness. From hand tight, we want about this much from once this is up here. So now that this is up here, let's see, okay. So now that this is up here, we want to get a spanner wrench 3 to 5 millimeters up. So we're just going to keep tightening this. Be careful not to touch the bottom one, because then your measurements will be all messed up. A little bit more. Okay, now we can get the spanner wrench into that. Now we're just going to go ahead and lock this up. And just like that, the preload is officially set. So, like I was saying, quick, easy video today, just to help, eliminate the confusion out there. There's not a lot of videos or write-ups on how to adjust preload. So hopefully we're going to get the wheels back on and this should be good to go. Thank you for watching. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.